you like to learn this? Just learn this. You will not understand how text, animation, and effect can upgrade your video, how it can make it more engaging and interesting until you watch a video and get so hooked without knowing why. Hey loves, we are here again and I want to thank you for turning up. In today's class, I think it's safe to call it a class. We're going to learn how to add text to our videos. We're going to be playing around with those animations, those effects, like these ones you're seeing in this video. Trust me, this simple trick can take your editing game to a whole new level. From bold animated titles to subtle captions that enhances your storytelling, you are about to learn all the tips, all the tricks to make your video interesting and engaging. So welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, welcome to Delicious Mind. Here we're all about business insights, delicious baking, and creative video editing. So if this resonates with you, kindly subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to learn. Alright, so let's get started. Before we start, to get the best experience with this tutorial, please click this icon. It will help you see clearly. Just click the icon and you're good to go. Okay, so let's still use this video. I have muted it so you can hear me clearly. The first thing is to check your drop down menu where you have edit audio. Next feature is text. Find where you want your text to be. Click on text and start typing whatever you want to type. Here I am going to be typing text. Yes. When you're done typing, just check down. You have so many options. We have fonts, we have styles, we have effects, animations. Now let's play around one after the other. Your font, you can choose any font. There are so many options. So just check it out and choose the one you feel is fine in your eyes, the one you like. And when you check styles, you'll see colors, you'll see different styles. You see this one, you can also increase your size or decrease it. All you need to do is to drag this line. You can also decrease or increase the opacity. Have you seen that? You can also choose your text to come with a background. Just scroll to the end, or let's just go one after the other. Any color that you want. If you want a text that comes with a background, look at it. Whatever color you want, just experiment them one after the other and choose the one that favors you. Choose the one that you love. You can decrease the opacity of the background or increase it. You can also increase the size of your text. All of this is what you can do under styles. You also have width. You can increase or decrease the border of your text, and look at it. So which do you prefer? You can choose the color of your border. The next one is background. Here you'll be able to customize your background anyhow you want it. You can choose the color of your background. Scroll down a little to see other options. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the background. There are so many features to use and customize your background. You can also increase or decrease the corner radius. Have you seen how it is? I think I love this one. Yes, I really love that one. Increase the height. Have you seen it? Beautiful. You can decrease it. We also have width here, but in this case, the width is for the background. You increase or you decrease it. We still have options, the Y effect and the X effect. So the Y effect separates your background from your text. Either it goes up or it comes down. I've never used that before. And the Y effect separates it horizontally. No fear, it has nothing to do with the Y, the X. Okay, so that's all for background. Next one is shadow. Under shadow we have opacity. You can increase or decrease your opacity. You have blur. You can either increase or decrease. Yeah, we have distance, we have angle. Now look at how each of these features work. It's working on the shadow and not the text or the background. Okay, up next is spacing. So if you increase, or under spacing we have scale. When you increase the size of your text. You can as well decrease it. We also have character. That one spaces your text. We also have line, and this is what line does. So all of this are what you can do under spacing. Okay, so let's get to the next one, bold, italic. So here you have bold, you have italize, and if you want your text to be underlined, you choose this. Basically that's what it does. And we also have this one, how you want your text, the case, uppercase, lowercase, anyhow. We move over to effect. So here your alphabets are already customized, like it's already customized for you. I like the fact that the letters are usually bold and colorful. So you can choose basic, we have trending, we have luminance, we have multicolors, we have yellow, we have different colors, like different shades of each color. Now let's get to my favorite part, animations. This is how your text comes in, how it goes out. We have in, we have out, we have loop. Let's just check them out one after the other. Let's continue with our text. And I chose typewriting. Down here is a blue line that helps you control how fast and slow you want your text to come in and go out. So let's use the typewriting effect and see how it comes in. Type your text where you want it to be placed. Like in this my case, I started when I said this. Do you want to know this? Do you want to learn how to do this? So I started there. This orange part will help you to adjust your text to how long you want it to stay on your video and how short. Like in this case, I'm adjusting it to when I say this, then it disappears. If you want it longer, you can drag it longer. If you want the text to stay throughout your video, you drag it to the end of your video. Let's explore another animation. This one, after typing effect, selecting your font, your styles and whatever, we go to animation and scroll down. Did you see how the text enter? So you can also choose how you want your text to go out by choosing out and select any animation at all to take your text out. So you see that one, it comes in, it goes out. Now let's see a different one. Comes in, it goes out. So you can adjust it to what you want as well. Alright, so let's choose an animation for the one I used at the beginning of this video. Okay. This is so colorful. I don't know why my network is acting up. This is so colorful. Have you seen how it rolls in? You can also drag your animation to wherever you want it to be. These are other ones. There are a whole lot of animations to work with. So everything can be adjusted, how fast you want it, where you want it to stay, how fast you want it to come in, how slow you want it to come in. You can adjust all of that. This video is everything you need when it comes to adding text, effect, and animation to your video. At this point, I think I deserve a thank you. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching. If there is something else you want us to make a video on CapCut, we are ready to. Just comment. Now you've learned how to add text to your videos. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Thank you so much for engaging in my video. Feel free to tell me in the comment what tutorial you would want me to make in our next class.